check this out. WorkPro sent me this shearer for my review. Now, they do advertise this to being great on grass, like if you're trying to do some detail work in your garden, in your backyard, things like that. I don't got grass here. I'm literally on concrete, but I have a lot of bush and I want to know if it's actually gonna work. Now, both, and this is what I love about it, you've got two different attachments. We're gonna try this first one here, and then we're gonna end with this one right here. Love how it's so easy to actually take off. Look at this. You've got two buttons right here. I press those two and literally just take it out. And that is it. It comes in already greased. Look at that beautiful little grease right there. It's already lubricated. It's ready to go. So I'm gonna go back and just make sure that it's set up properly. And look at this. You've got one single button. Now, you do have a battery. Comes with the charger and the block that actually charges as well. Love the battery, and I love the fact that it's not too heavy. So the whole unit is very easy to handle with one hand. And like I said, you've got that button here, that power button, but you need to unlock it. So there is a safety feature there, which I think is a great thing. So if I press on both, it starts, and boy does it start, huh? So we're gonna just literally, I'm just gonna try and see if it's actually strong enough to go through bush like this. Let's see. Oh, okay, like butter. Okay, so not just good for grass, guys. Oh boy, okay, so there you go, look at this. It actually cut right through, just like butter, through this pretty thick, I mean, you're never gonna find grass that strong and that thick, and it just went through it like no issues whatsoever. This thing is fantastic. Let's try the second attachment. And they do come with their protective gear as well. So look at this, we're gonna put it in, we're gonna just slide that out. And this, sure, again, they recommend doing it on grass, but of course you can do some shearing on, size of bushes. If you've got like some smaller bushes around the house that you can actually just kind of trim, right? So let's see if I can actually trim this one here. Okay, so I don't know about this grass business because I can definitely go through the bush right here, zero issues. Look at this. Like we're talking really thick. I'm gonna try even thicker. Let's try this one right here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this thing is fantastic. It's not too loud, which I love. Love the fact that it's rechargeable. Love the fact that it's extremely light to handle. Sturdy, rugged. I love the rubber feel on it. I don't need to really wear gloves or anything. This is super comfortable to have, to carry around, and it works wonders.